Sin theta lies from minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Theta is an angle. Theta is an angle. That angle can be 2 theta, that angle can be 3 theta. So instead of theta, any other angle can come. It can be 2 theta. It can be theta by 2. It can be 4 theta. Sine of an angle. Sine of an angle lies from minus 1 to 1. That angle can be anything, x, 4x, 10x, 100x, anything. First point. Second point, I am squaring that theta. What did we discuss at the beginning? If I say square function, it will never be negative. Minimum value will be 0. That means if I do the square function, will I get negative? I will not get negative. Square function will start from 0. 1 square it will be 1. Second point, it is clear. 0 less than or equivalent to sin square theta less than or equivalent to 1. Sir, what has happened to these minus 1? Whenever you do any square, minimum value will be 0. All negatives will go out. It will start from 0. 0 less than or equivalent to sin square theta less than or equivalent to 1. Third point. Sir, you did square. Can I do cube? Now you tell me, can a cube of a negative, can it be negative? Minus 1 cube, it is minus 1. Minus 2 cube, it is minus 8. Sin cube theta also lies from minus 1 to 1. Sin cube theta also lies from minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Or can I write like this? Sin power n theta. Two cases will come. N can be even. N can be odd. If n is even, minimum value it is 0. Maximum value it is 1. N is odd. Minimum value it is minus 1. Maximum value it is plus 1. Please read this statement. Understand it. N is even. Sin square theta. Sin square, it will start from 0. It will end at 1. Sin power 3 theta. Odd means minimum will be minus 1. Maximum will be plus 1. When you are writing it, understand and write it. Sin power n theta. N even, minimum 0, maximum 1. N odd, minimum 1, maximum plus 1. Maximum plus 1. Now, based on this, find the minima and maxima. Find the minima and maxima for the following. Find the minima and maxima for the following. First question. 7 sin theta. 7 sin theta. Find the minima and maxima. Now, listen carefully. Sin theta, what is the minimum value? Minus 1. What is the maximum value? Plus 1. That means 7 into minus 1. Minus 7 less than or equivalent to sin theta less than or equivalent to 7. Minimum is minus 7. Maximum is plus 7. Please write down. First question. Minimum is minus 7. Maximum is plus 7. Sin theta minimum value is minus 1. Sin theta maximum value will be plus 1. Minimum is minus 1. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 7 into plus 1 is plus 7. What will be the answer for this question? 7 sin square theta. Sin square theta. Sin square theta. Minimum it is 0. Minimum it will be 0. Maximum it is plus 7. How easily, without any effort, we can solve the question. Minimum 0, maximum plus 7. Next, third question. Just you have to listen to the class, sir. I will take you to a very different level. 4 plus 5 power 7 theta. 4 plus 5 into sin power 7 theta. Power is an odd. Odd means minimum minus 1, maximum plus 1. 4 plus 5 into minus 1. 4 plus 5 into plus 1. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 4 plus 5, 9. This is minimum and it is maximum. Any doubts are there in this slide? Any doubts? Please see. Concepts are clear.